everyone and welcome to another vlog. It is Monday today and Elisa went back to nursery. Yay! She had a lovely time at nursery, but she's home now and it is, let me tell you what time it is. It is 1:20 at the moment, so we are just getting ready to go out. Isa is really tired. Like, he went to sleep at about 1 o'clock last night. Crazy, I know. I went to sleep before him and he woke up at about 9 something, so he's absolutely shattered and he's gonna fall asleep in the car 100%. So I'm gonna let him have a little nap just while we're out, but before I go I just thought I would clean up and film it. Why not? So let's go. Went to make them some lunch. Already, come on. It's okay, you can eat his. They're having cheese sandwiches. They had like an extra half of that while I was making the other one. And they've got cucumber, oranges, and then some crisps. So a parcel just came. I'm not sure exactly what's in it. I have an idea. I think it's some books that I ordered, but we'll see. We're just opening it. This is the box. This is what's in the parcel. We have some books. So the first one is I Wonder About the Prophet. And I thought I would pick up. I just thought I'd order some Islamic books for the kids because it's always nice to have books for the kids. Also ordered this book set, which is I Say collection with Nabil and Noura. So these are basically like cardboard books, you know, like the kiddies style ones. And this one says I Say Assalamu Alaikum, and then it's got like really big writing and nice pictures that the kids really enjoy. So, and then this one says I Say Alhamdulillah, and this one's I Say Bismillah, and this one is I Say MashaAllah. And that's all of those ones, which is really nice because I feel like I should have bought these earlier, but I don't know why I didn't. And then the last book that I got was this one, which is a Zain Bika Allah Made Everything, a song book. I don't know what that means, but I just picked it up because I like Zain Bika songs and all that kind of thing. It looks very colourful and like a nice book to read in the evening for these guys. But yeah, I can't remember exactly how much these were, but I will leave a link to them down below because they're really good. Yes, I thought I would share that with you because how good is that? Like, amazing. Also, I discovered a Islamic cartoon on on YouTube, and it's got like, it's just got really nice messages. It has got music in the background. I know a lot of people don't like that, but it has got really nice messages, and it's like, it teaches kids good manners and things like that. It's called Omar and Hana, or something like that, but I will leave a link to that down below as well. So we just went to Chaiwala and finished in Chaiwala, and now I'm outside my mum's house. But yeah. Yeah. Do you want to go? Yeah, I forgot to take my camera into Chaiwala, so I didn't vlog in there. But yeah, we're just at my mum's house now. My sister's here, as you can see, and we're just gonna go in now. My mum's not here yet. She's gone to pick up my nieces from school. Elisa's eating some crisps. So I'm at my mum's house now. Got this beautiful little girl. Mashallah. This beautiful little girl. Mashallah. This
beautiful little girl.
Beautiful little rat. And then there's this thing over there as well.
Hi folks.
Folks, you want to talk about school?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy school?
Yeah.
What did you do at school?
Oh well, first we did this thing called New Year's resolution.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And what's your New Year's resolution?
Well, we filled in this sheet with lots of different things like.
Ah.
Yeah.
Cool. So I've got my lovely little girls. Look at us, we're kind of matching today.
Because red star, red, and then white, and then white.
Mine's just darker red and cream, and yours is like bright red and white.
Like
You look like Santa. Okay, who's ready? So what you have to do is do a buzzer noise. Okay, so when you know the answer, you do that. You do one. Okay. You have to do. Okay, just make a noise when you know the answer. Okay. What cursed item is Katie Bell given at the 3 broomsticks?
Is it?
Go on.
A necklace.
A necklace. Yay! Next question is: what exam is Harry sitting when the Weasleys let off fireworks in the exam room? Go on then.
The owls.
No.
What?
It's specific.
I don't know.
It's called Theory of Charms. Did you know that?
No.
I didn't know that. Okay. Which one of the unforgivable curses is used to torture the victim?
I don't know what unforgivable curses are. Torture.
Oh, have you not read the latest ones?
I know what it is. It's a 3 really bad ones.
The one where he does it to the spider in it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one.
Wait, what was it again?
I can't read it. The cruciatus. Yes, that's the one. Curse. Okay, the next question is: what does Griphook want to exchange for helping Harry break into Gringotts?
This one.
Who escorts the real Harry Potter during his escape from Privet Drive?
Wait, what does it escort? Say that again.
Who escorts? It means who helps him go.
Get out.
Yeah.
Get out.
During his escape from Privet Drive. Go on. Go on. Yay! Yes, baby.
Mommy, I'm back. Make a noise. So
Hello.
just pulled up the stairs.
Oh, good. I'm glad.
Ah.
What creature attacks Mr. Weasley whilst he is on guard duty at the Department of Ministry?
What was that again? Oh, I'm on this
What
part.
creature attacks Mr. Weasley while he is on guard duty
This is
at
not a
the...
snake. Is it?
Yeah!
Yeah, I'm reading about that part.
You're good, aren't you? Okay, so it turns out Maya is like the Harry Potter whiz.
It's just luckily the ones I'm on.
Yeah,
Well, it's because of books. They're in the books. I haven't read all of them yet. Or whatever. No, I don't.
Wagwan! Look who it is! You had to do it, didn't you?
I just watched your video.
Oh yeah. Did you like it?
Yeah. It was so amazing. It was so well edited.
Oh, thanks.
Hello.
You weren't even in it that much, I realised after.
No, I know. I was in it when
Yeah, Caden and Adam were in it a bit though, innit?
Caden and Adam when you put in the cake and eating the cake.
Oh yeah, they were just like... It's so cute.
So funny. And did you hear Adam sing happy birthday as well?
Yeah, it was so cute, man. Wow, what have you guys
This is going to be Luna Party Land.
Luna
It's gonna
Party
make
Land.
like a party.
Oh wow.
And then we're going to make a Lisa land.
It looks
Then
amazing.
And then an Imani land. Yeah.
And this could be where the
Where the what is?
This could be where the honey lives.
The honey. Oh my gosh, you're licking it. Yum. You're so funny.
Look, this. Look.
Have you seen it when it's open?
Yeah.
It's good, isn't it?
More honey.
That is the end of this vlog. It's actually the next day now. I didn't end up finishing the vlog because I just ate and then got the kids changed and drove home, and they fell asleep on the way home. That is going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment if you like. Let me know if you knew what that food that we were eating was, and I'll tell you if you're right. Subscribe over here if you haven't already, and watch another video of mine. This is the one that I last uploaded. If you haven't watched it, then go for it. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.